That's a chunky cardinal.
Excuse me, bro. Thanks.
Who's the most handsome guy?
You're a handsome little fella. Ow! That wasn't very not.
I've never seen an all blue one like that. No.
Fuck you.
Yo, I just grabbed a bird.
There's a cardinal at my window. I'm on the second story. Oh!
Do you guys see that fat fuck in our tree? Oh my god.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.